Hello, my name is Anita and I work in healthcare management. What I love about Mindsonar is that it gives you solutions to a raft of different problems that you can encounter both in work and in your personal life. And I personally plan to use it in my work within community healthcare, helping people to change the way that they think about lifestyle habits.
Hello, my name is Anne. I'm a coach and a therapist, and I really like learning about the Mindsonar programme. I think that it's applicable to many situations, both in therapy and in coaching. I love the fact that you can apply it to individuals and to teams. I'm going to be using it with my coaching clients, and I want to take it out to work with businesses, with their teams, helping them to improve their teamwork.
Good morning, Ian Clark here from Workforce Solutions. We're a workforce development specialist who focus on coaching, facilitation and process change within organisations. And today is a relaxed Tuesday because today I'm doing a little bit of marketing, getting myself onto LinkedIn and connecting with other coaches. And the reason I'm doing that is because we've got a couple of exciting events coming along. Some of you may know from previous videos is that we are the UK licence holders for a new psychological tool called Mindsonar. Just in the background there, you can see it. So what is Mindsonar? Well, Mindsonar is a new psychological tool that is unlike any other psychometric profile. Often when you've used another tool, you can sometimes feel constrained. This is how my personality is. Well, Mindsonar doesn't do that. What Mindsonar does, it looks at a very contextual position of what you want to be assessed upon. So it assumes that in the context of Ian running a triathlon, he thinks differently. Ian baking a cake, he thinks differently. Ian managing strategic operations or Ian coaching thinks differently. And that's the basis on how this tool works. It looks at your values, so what's important to you, and your thinking style. So what have we got going on? Well, we've got two great free workshops run at Laura's Hospice in Leicestershire on April the 12th. So if you want to come along to that, just follow the link that's with this video. And we've also got the certification to become a Mindsonar practitioner, and that starts on June the 11th, and that's 6 days in total, ran in June, July and September. So who's it for? Well, most importantly, it's for anybody who deals with people in a leadership or management capacity. It's for coaches, it's for L&D specialists, recruiters, and it's also for HR leads. So I'd encourage you to follow the links, have a little bit of a look at Mindsonar, and if you want to chat or even try the tool before having a conversation with me, just let me know, and I can hook you up with the various codes and links to it. I've got to say, it's got to be one of the most enlightening, accurate and precise tools that gets straight to the heart of the matter. And that's what I love about it. Having coached now for the last 15 years and used various different tools, this has the ability to really get to the nub. And actually, it's not just the tool that you're using. Certainly as a coach or as a facilitator of change, it's your skill set. So we always like to talk about our work is powered by Mindsonar. So that's what I shall be doing today, and I'm around most of the day to take anybody's calls or over the next week. Do give me a call, do drop me an email, and do have a look at Mindsonar. It's the latest psychological tool on the market, and it is a very accurate tool. All right, have a great day, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.